Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Please, let's follow this video step by step to the end because Nigeria is a funny place and I do not intend to insult everyone in Nigeria. I do not intend to insult anybody, but most Nigerians are cowards. Okay, when I mean that most Nigerians are cowards, at the end of this video, you will understand the reason why I made this statement. Now, a lot of you must have seen this video trending on the internet. We are saying Tinubu, the son of the president, Tinubu, traveled from Abuja to Yobe State. And he was there. He was praising his father. He was campaigning for his father. They were praising him. He was ranting. He was saying all sorts of things. What he's saying and his mission is not my problem, okay? Now, my problem is that when this man left Yobe State, Boko Haram invaded so many communities in Yobe State. And you know what Boko Haram, told some communities? They told them that we are giving you people only 7 days to leave your community. Boko Haram is giving Nigeria ultimatum to vacate their land because they want to occupy it. And this is where the president's son was ranting. And you see what baffles me. This thing is still happening in my place, a Federal constituency. People love to, praise politicians why their mothers are dying, their fathers are not going to farm, their youths are being kidnapped and bullet is being sprayed upon their youth, but they are still praising politicians whose their primary responsibility is to protect the lives and property of the people. Imagine President's son came to your state, he was ranting, and immediately he left the state. Boko Haram came, asked you people to leave your ancestral land within 7 days. Anyway, we are jokers in this country. But before I go forward, pay attention, listen to what Seyi said in Yobe State.
Every single day, minister is going to tell me don't politicize this. It was never politics. But they keep coming for me. They keep coming for my family. They keep coming for your father. They keep coming for Ashtags, Bola, Ahmed, Tinubu, the greatest president in the history of Nigeria. The only president that has carried young people along from when he was governor to when he became president. The only president that considered youth and student loans. The only president that's created a platform for young people to thrive. The only president that has created an economy that benefits everybody. The only president that's not trying to enrich his own pocket. And you're telling me, no. Let's address this. The ASAP program was one where I wanted to come and break fast with my peers. It is something that the Noella Foundation has been doing for over 6 years in Lagos. Something that we have done every single day by breaking and having iftar with 2,000 people every single day. And last year, we sent over 20,000 boxes alone to the northwest and another 10,000 to the northeast. And now they're saying he is only bringing good food to the north and is giving grant to the south. Let's address it. In the north, we have done educational school programs. In the north, we have given iPads out. Everything I say, people, we are the future. We know what it takes. We know what it's going to take because we come together as a group to work together. Should I go hard or should I go soft? On your Monday, we shall start. On your Monday, we shall start. On your Monday, on your Monday, on your Monday, we shall start. We shall stand. On your Monday, we shall start. On your Monday, we shall stand.
Now, you have seen it by yourself, right? You saw the ranting and everything, and you saw how Boko Haram issued an ultimatum. And the most important thing you have to know is that the ultimatum is going to work. The people of Yobe State in that community, they are going to leave. They don't have choice because the military can't protect them. The police can't protect them. Their life is at the mercy of the terrorists. That is Nigeria for you. A country where the Boko Haram found safe haven, they swap all of them. The president seized in Aso Rock there, gambling with the future destiny of the people. If you see countries that work, okay, and a president is unable to fight insecurity as a commander-in-chief of armed forces, within 7 days he will resign. But these people gamble with the destiny of Nigerians. Now, just let's look into this article from Sahara reporters, okay? Let's look into these articles to understand what really transpired there. It said, exclusive Boko Haram terrorists invade Yobe communities, gives residents 7 days to relocate. It's an ultimatum. Now, says the Boko Haram and Islamic State West African provinces swap terrorists has given a quick notice to residents of some communities in Gojba local government area of Yobe State. The terrorists were said to have asked the residents to vacate the community for allegedly revealing their movement to security agencies. Top sources told Sahara reporters on Tuesday that the members of the Islamic sect invaded the communities last week, shooting sporadically before warning the residents. This is what is happening in my locality. Listen to what the people from the community say. No. This is what is happening in my locality. I am from Yobe State and I live in Gojba local government area. Few days back, Boko Haram came to our town and others attacking everybody, beating, harassing, and so much more, a source said. Now, they have given us a short notice to migrate within a time frame of 1 week, or else they will kill everyone. We will really need help, and the media is quiet about it. Okay, I believe this will reach government officials. Our lives are in danger. We don't even have money to travel, let alone rent a home. Many people are in abject poverty. We truly need your help. Nobody's going to help you. The government don't care. That was president's son in your state. After ranting, Boko Haram came, beat the hell out of you people, asking people to leave. You are now begging the media. You don't have military around you, no police around you. And when we talk about the stop page, Nigeria must stop. Nigeria must stop for people to survive. Now, a lot of elite, political elite, business people, sometimes maybe they came across my videos, they reach out to me. What I used to tell them is that it's unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that you people are disconnected to the reality that is facing the masses. Politicians, governors, business people, they are disconnected from the reality. You know why? They have security details following them up and down. You can't touch them. They don't know what the poor masses are going through. And that is why I always ask the poor masses to revolt, civil disobedience, show them pepper, because these people are never for you. They are against you. Now, another resident said, yes, he is right, confirming the first person's report, right? That is exactly what is happening. And now we are trying to find a way out. Unfortunately, the media is not even discussing this issue. And if I were to post about it myself, I could face threats. This is what is happening. The media in Nigeria is part of this. IBB wrote it in his book, page 331. Yeah, 331. He wrote it in his book that these three set of people who are the problem of Nigeria are the Nigerian influencers, the media, and the politicians. Yeah, IBB wrote it there. So imagine this is happening in the Nigeria community. Boko Haram giving people quit notice within 7 days. And you can't find it on Channels Television and Rise News. Shame unto them. Okay? It's not easy to build a powerful media organization, but if God helping me and tomorrow I was able to achieve a feat like that, what is the essence of a voice if the voice is not for the masses? The voice will be useless if the voice is not for the masses. So it is terrible to know that such a thing is happening to people in Yobe community and the world is keeping quiet. Now, Sahara reporters learned that some of these residents have started fleeing their homes in droves as the deadline nears. Since the death of the JS leader Ebuka Obi, swap has been consolidating his grip in location around the chart. So, and the article continues, but I've extracted what I want you to know. That some communities in Yobe State receive a quick notice to leave, and they are leaving. Why? Because Boko Haram is in charge of Nigeria. Nigeria is more or less a terrorist state. Everything we tell you people, we told you people, and we have been telling you people, it is happening before your very own eyes. So continue to see, continue to watch, and there is no doubt it is going to get everybody turn by turn. This insecurity issue is turn by turn. Everywhere now is holistic. So it is going to get to everybody. So if you don't like what is happening to these people, but you still want one Nigeria because of your selfish interest, everything happening to these people will happen to you. Because the people in government knows about all these things. They don't want to act. They are complicit. So how can you say you are a normal human being, you allow people to be dying, and you don't even want to even talk why people are dying? Imagine if Seyi, Tinubu went there, Yobe State, and tell them that I am aware of the security challenges you people are facing. I made arrangement. I have begged my father. We are going to have security checkpoints. We are going to empower the community people, buy people guns to defend you. The people will have joy. Nigeria is not a place for you. If Nigeria did not end, it's going to end a lot of lives. That is the message I have for you. But don't forget, it is not the duty of the slave masters to free the slaves. It is left for the slaves to determine whether they are going to be free or not. We are all slaves in Nigeria, both the rich and the poor. We are all slaves. So it is not the duty of the politicians to free you. It is your duty. The bond is on your